Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the JavaScript. So that is the yesterday we have discussed about of the basics of the some methods. Those are the console.log method and simple programs. Some of the how we are using the var variable and let variable and constant variable. Okay, how those are helpful while making the programming. So those all are seen in earlier classes. So now come to the next methods. Those are the conditional statements. So how those are helpful in our programming language, the conditional statements. So the conditional statements simply to say that we should make the decisions. Okay, we make the decisions based on the circumstances. So in this, so just have a look here, what type of conditions are there. So in that conditions, that is the if condition is there and else if. Okay, if condition and else, so that is there, and comparison operators are there, and logical operators are there, and truthy versus falsy operators, ternary operators, switch statements. These all are being as the some conditionals. Okay, so condition, what is the main use of the condition? Is there anyone tell about of the condition purpose? Ramesh, already you have used the some conditions. Okay, in our service no point of view. So what is the benefit of condition? While we are inserting the some conditions, what is the output?
So you're talking about JavaScript, sir?
No, nothing JavaScript. So only service no point of view, already we are using the some conditions, isn't it, in our service now?
Sir.
Conditions are there, that is the query conditions are there na, query
Yes, sir.
conditions are there.
Yes, sir.
So how they are helpful to us?
For particular, if we want to navigate for particular condition to
Hmm.
check it whether the condition
Hmm.
for the
It's fine,
particular
it's fine.
method, it means method
Okay.
only for checking only particular method only, not for all.
Okay,
If the
nice.
condition is true, then server gives the its output. If not, it is not given.
Okay, yes. But okay, your explanation, you should know about of the condition, what they do generally while putting the or while inserting the conditions, you already know that. But express, okay, when you are expressing the particular thing, you shouldn't give that exact one. So that is the simply to say that while inserting the conditions, then easily to retrieve the your specific records, easily to retrieve the your specific records. So that is the main benefit of condition, isn't it? So to get the records as per your conditional requirement, to get the records, so which records are only getting, so that is by the based on the particular condition. So if it is, for example, let me take that. So in our incident point of view, so incident list view, okay, when you are being as a list view of the incident, that means the incident all incident list view place. So then you should apply the some query conditions. So in our query conditions, you should inserted the some conditions. That conditions are query conditions are the state is being as in progress. So if you want to get the records of in progress state records, then easily to retrieve the those records by applying the particular condition, query condition. Okay, so and if you want to get the active records, so then simply to active is true. Okay, when you are inserting the your query condition is active is true, then simply to get the their records. So that is the main benefit of condition is, so let they check their records. Okay, is it having the that particular condition is followed the particular record or not. Okay, let they check and retrieve the records. So that is the benefit is there. And now come to this place. Okay, so simply to say that we should retrieve the our records, should retrieve the our records as per our conditional okay, as per our conditional base. So easily to retrieve the records for our conditional base. Okay, by the conditional, when the condition is satisfied, then only able to retrieve the those records. So that is the benefit of condition is there. So in these conditions, if else conditions are there. So just let you see that. So if else point of view, so small program, so that is the if it is true, then the message will be print. Console.log is the print the message. So then let we see that. So is it working or not in our javascript. So that is the console.log. If true, so this is a boolean operation, so that's why you shouldn't mention the their things. That is the there is no need to put the codes. Okay, console.log is the print output. So after that, just close the curly braces. If true, console.log is the print output. So that is there. And now example, let me take the some small example related to that one. And here there is the some okay, comparison operators are also there. So that operators, while being as the this operators, I will discuss you with that. So I will take the one example, first example. So let sale equals to true. Just leave this one. Let I will give you the one small exercise, that is the let sale equals to true. Let sale equals to true. If sale double equals to true, if sale double equals to true, then console.log is the what is that, what is the output is there, the shop will be okay. So it's a time to buy, it's time to buy. Else console.log is it's not time to buy. It's not time to buy. So that is there. So just have a look here. So this is the small exercise. So first you have to understand their logic. What is the logic is there? So let we should also okay assign the one variable. Let variable is there. Let sale equals to true. I'm giving you that. So sale equals to true. Then if sale equals to true, then the output is the time to buy. Else if the sale is false, so then it's not time to buy. So just run it here. Else okay, else console.log okay, yes, sale equals to true. Okay, sorry, in this place there is double equals to okay. So each and everything will be checked out by yourself. Why? Because there is some syntax errors. Is there any alphabetic errors? That means the small letters and capital letters, those are also okay checking. So just have a look here. Let sale equals to true, then what is the output? It's time to buy. Now the output is, now you go and time to buy. Okay, just it's a time to buy. And if the sale equals to, now this is changing here, so that is the false. So now the output is, it's not time to buy. Why? Because sale has already closed. Sale has closed. So then it's not time to buy. So that is the those particular conditions. Okay, by the help of particular condition, let we get their output. Okay, is it clear, Ramesh? Is there any difficulty here?
Sir, thanks.
Monica.
Yeah,
So
it's fine, sir.
condition means let they put the only one, okay, a small logic. So that logic is the if sale equals to, okay, so that is the let sale equals to true. When the sale equals to true, then output is the it's time to buy. When the sale equals to false, then it's not time to buy. So that is the simple logic is there by the condition. So now second exercise is the let sale equals to true, okay, it's a fine. And next one, just have a look here. So let sale equals to true, but after that, after some time, sale equals to false. So what is the output will arrive here? So just have a look. So that is the let the sale equals to false. What is the output will arrive here? So just let you tell. Is there anyone? So what is the output let generally arrive here? Let sale equals to, sorry, true first. Sale equals to true, but sale equals to false. If sale double equals to true, then it's time to buy, and else it's not time to buy. So while you have write the particular program, then what is the main output will arrive? Can you tell that?
It's time to buy, sir. It's time to buy, sir.
It's time to buy. And Monica, can you tell the output?
It's time to buy.
Sravia, Sravia, are you there?
Ah, yes, sir.
Hmm. Tell me the
It's
output.
time. It's time to. It's not time to buy, sir.
Just let you check that. What is the output? It's not time to buy. Why?
Sir,
Why it's
in if condition sale double equal to true, we have
Sir, in if condition we have given sale equal to true, sir, then like time to buy.
okay? But the thing is, you have missed the particular logic. That logic is the while we are using the let variable, so that is reassigning is possible. Reassigning. So that is the first they are first they said is here sale equals to true, but after some time the sale equals to false. That means now the output is false right now. So when the sale equals to false, then what will print here? What is the output will be print here? So it's not time to buy. Okay, so that is there. If it is not mentioned, so then, so what you said that is fine. But if it is mentioned, that is the reassigning is there. So sale equals to false now. So this is the main thing. So when the sale equals to false, then what is the output will appear? So that output will arrive here. That is the it's not time to buy. So that is the output is there. Okay, good Sravya. Okay, is it clear, guys?
Clear.
So why? Because let variable, let, already I told you in earlier class, that is the three variables, that is the var variable, let variable, and constant variable. So in this place, let is replacing with the constant, so then it's fixed. So that is the when we are putting as the constant, then have a look here, const, constant. So constant means sale equals to true. When you are reassigning the value, so it doesn't take it. Okay, so just have a look here. What is the output will arrive here? So just run it here. So there is some error is also there. Why? Because once you have to fix the particular value in our, that is the sale equals to true, but after some time you should put it as the sale equals to false. It doesn't take it. It doesn't take that. So constant means it's always fixed. Okay, so that is the sale equals to false doesn't take here. Okay, sale equals to false doesn't take it here. Okay, so constant, but we are, when we are taking the our let, so let is having the one benefit, that is the reassigning, reassigning the our variables, reassigning of the variables. True reassigning is possible while we are using the let variable. Okay,
Sir, we are
so that
using if condition, sir. Sale double equal to true.
you shouldn't think like that. మీరు కండిషన్ గురించి ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు. ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ దట్. నేను అంటుంది ఏంటంటే దీని గురించి ఫస్ట్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? దట్ ఈస్ ద లెట్ సేల్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ట్రూ. ఓకే, ట్రూ మీన్స్ ఇఫ్ సేల్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ట్రూ దెన్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద అవుట్పుట్. బట్ వాడేం చేస్తున్నాడండి ఇక్కడ, లెట్ ది వెంటనే ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ టైమ్ సేల్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఫాల్స్, ఆల్రెడీ రీఅసైన్. సో దట్ మీన్స్ యువర్ సేల్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఫాల్స్ నౌ. So what is the output of false statement? So that is the output is it's not time to buy. Okay, so that is the small logic. Okay, so reassigning is there. So that reassigning is the that is the main that is the output. So false, when the sale is false, so then it's not time to buy. So that is the output will arrive here. So that is there, it's not time to buy. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If you are having the any query, okay, so then you should also go through with the in earlier class. So in that class already we have given the multiple examples with the let variable place. So that is the let variable. So just have a look here, let, where we are using the let. So just have a look here. So this is the place is there, let. So that is the, where is the let, this one. So just have a look here. So what is that? Let meal equals to enchiladas. Console.log is the enchiladas. But meal equals to sometime, after some time, meal equals to burrito. So when they are reassigning the burrito, then the console.log equals to burrito only. Okay, the output will arrive here. That is the burrito. Why? Because they are reassigning the this place. That is the enchiladas is replacing with burrito. So that is the their output. Okay, so that type of things will arrive while we are using the let variable, let. So and again similarly to here, so let price, they shouldn't mention the price value, but after some time they should. Okay, after some time they are reassigning the that price value, that is the 350. So then console.log is the 350. Okay, in earlier it will shows you the undefined the value, but after some time when they are reassigning is possible while we are taking the let variable. Okay guys, that is there. And now going to take the next one. So that is the if condition is done, next go to that comparison operators. Just have a look. So this is also important, comparison operators. So what are those? So those are the less than and greater than, and less than or equals to, and greater than or equals to, triple equals to, and not double equals to. So let you know that about this comparison operators. Okay, what is the mean of less than and greater than, less than or equals to? Already you know that, isn't it? Comparison operators, let you know that these symbols are not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, now come to this place. Just let me do the one small example by the comparison operators. That means in earlier one we should okay, we should do the in if and else condition. Now we should take the this operators, comparison operators. That is the, so let hunger level equals to 7. Let hunger level equals to 7. So then if hunger level greater than 7, then the output is time to eat. Okay, else we can eat later. So that is there. So just, so that is the let hunger level equals to 7 hours. If hunger level greater than 7, so then curly braces start, console.log time to eat, time to eat, eats time to eat. Now else else console.log quotes are there. It's not right time to eat. Just have a look, guys, this one. So I will write the small exercise. So that is the let hunger level equals to 7. Hunger level value is how much, guys? 7. So I will write the if condition. That condition is the hunger level greater than 7 hours. 7 hours. Okay. So then it's time to eat. While else, okay, else it's not right time to eat. So now, so what is the output will arrive? Just have a look here. Just run it. What is that? What is that? The output will arrive here. That is the it's not right time to eat. Why? Because the hunger level is greater than 7 or not right now? No, it's equals to 7. Okay, it's equals to 7, isn't it? Just understand that their logic, only logic. Just okay, you should get the okay, you should grab the that particular logic. You should grasp the okay, you should know that. So the hunger level value is the 7 hours, but when the 7 hours is okay greater than 7 hours, that means 7 hours the hunger level greater than the okay 7 hours, then only able to eat, else it's not right time to eat. So now this place is changing here, so that is the 8 for example. So then run it here. So when the hunger level equals to 8, then it's time to eat. Okay, is it clear, guys?
Okay, sir.
Monica,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
did you stuck it anywhere? Are you
No, sir.
holding the particular logic or not? So this is easy and simple. That is the logic. Okay. So how we what type of logics are there in our conditions? So that is the important. Okay. Now another program is also there. That is related to the traffic signal. So just have a look. So this is the simple programs are also there. Let stoplight equals to green, for example. Stoplight equals to green. It's been as a green. So pedestrians equals to 0. Then pedestrians equals to 0. Then if condition stoplight triple equals to green and pedestrians equals to 0, then console.log is the go, or else stop. Okay, so this is there. So now you should write this particular program here. So what is the program is there? Just let let stop light equals to green. Next, pedestrians, you know that pedestrian means okay, you know the pedestrians equals to 0. So now you should write the logic. So that is the condition. So that is the if stoplight triple equals to green, and here we are using the and or r also. So r means this one. So that is the and pedestrians equals to 0. So what is the logic of this one? Pedestrians equals to 0. So then curly braces start, console.log. So what is the output here? Go. So go means go. Else console.log is stop. So first you should know that their logic. Okay, first you should know that their logic. So what is the logic is there, guys? Hello, Ramesh.
Sir,
Just tell me about of this one. So that is the what is the output here? So this is related to traffic signal. So that is the let
goes
stoplight equals to green. Okay. So green and pedestrians means pedestrians are you know that what is the mean of pedestrians?
steps,
So
sir. How many steps we have done?
no pedestrians means that is the walkers. Okay, that is the synonym of walkers. So the walkers are being as a zero and stoplight is being as a green. So then the vehicles are going. Okay, the vehicles are the output of the vehicles are go, or else that means if the stoplight is being as a red or yellow whatever it may be, so that time stop the particular vehicles. Okay, so that is the signal is there, so that will indicate that signals. Okay, pedestrian means walkers, it is also similar to the okay the synonym of the walkers. So that is there. Now have a look here. So while we are running, okay, so just while we are executing the particular program, what will arrive here? So that is the go. Okay, why? Because already the light is there, already the light is ignited, or already that is the light is there, already blinked the light of green light. So when the light is blinked as a green, so then automatically vehicles are going, isn't it? When the signal light okay blinks, okay, when the signal light is being as a green, so then the vehicles are going. Okay, the vehicles are going. And if this light is not green, so now it's being as a red. So then what will happen? Just have a look here. Then what will happen here? If the light is stop light is okay, um, when the light is being as a red, so then stop. And if the light is being as a yellow, so whatever it may be, yellow or orange something, not yellow, orange light is also there, it's time to go, orange. So then again stop. So pedestrian means walkers, is there any walkers? So that time also do that particular thing. So that is the, for example, four members are there, so just run it. So just stop the vehicle and green is there. So just have a look. So the thing is, when the light is being as a green, but pedestrians, that means the walkers already walking. Okay, that means they are crossing their road, walkers are already there. So then what is the output will arrive here? Again stop. Why? Because walkers already there. So how many members are there? Four members are walking, okay, are crossed the particular road. So but the light is being as a green, but the vehicle is being as okay, when the vehicle is only being as okay, when the vehicle is only stop position. Why? Because the people are going to cross the road. So that is the pedestrians. How many members are there? Four members are there. So when the pedestrians are also being as a zero, then it's time to go only. Okay, so that is the logic is there. Okay guys, is there any difficulty here? Just you have to catch the particular logic. Okay, so that is there. And I will tell you that some of the comparison operators here. So that is the, so when, just have a look here. So that is the, these three equals. Okay, equal symbols are there na. So now you should write that here. Okay, you should know that that is the, when they are, okay, giving the only single equals to, single equals to. So when they are assigning the some variables or, okay, some variables, then single equals, single equals to, that means the sale equals to true. So that type of equals to, only one single equals to is representing assigning the value. So that is assigned the value. So that assigning the value means sale equals to true. Okay, that is the assigning, just assigning the value. And when they are putting as the double equals to, so that means represents the comparison. So comparison of the particular variables. So just compare to that values. And so this is the compare. Okay, so that compare. And triple equals to, sometimes they are putting as the triple equals to. So triple equals to means exact equals to, okay, exact equal means a triple equals to b, that means b is always, okay, p is always a. So that means if you want to write the b, so then simply to write it as a also. So that is the difference between the triple equals to. Single equals to will representing the assigning the value, and double equals to representing the compare the values, and triple equals to exact equal. So that is the operators are also representing here. Okay, now, so and another example is also here, that is the Saturday and Sunday, that is the working days. So working days point of view, one small program is there. Okay, and now, so our mood, okay, let mood point of view is also one of the small program is there, just have a practice. And now come to the another one. So that is the truthy versus falsy assignment. Truthy versus falsy, truthy and falsy assignment. So just have a look here. So let username equals to undefined first. Let username equals to undefined. Let default name is also, okay, undefined. So but if username, default name equals to username. So if username, so this is the true, when if username equals to, so that is the default name equals to username. Else default name equals to stranger. So then console.log equals to default name. So what is the output will arrive here? So that is the console.log. So just have a look here. So that is the stranger, default name equals to being as a stranger. Okay, so then just have a look here. So just we should do the this programming. So that is the let, are you understanding or not? If you are not understanding well, then simply to okay, express your doubts. Let username equals to, and let default name, let default name, if username console.log is, what is the console.log here? So that is the, sorry, default name equals to username. No, they shouldn't write the this one. Default name, sorry, default name equals to username, and else else default name equals to stranger, ranger, stranger. Console.log. Now, so what is the console.log? That is the default name. Now tell me that what is the output will arrive. Okay, so just tell me that Ramesh or Monica, okay, or Sravya, whatever it may be. So just tell me the output of this particular one. Guys, just have a look of the particular exercise. So it's a small program. Okay, truthy versus falsy apparatus. So what is the output will arrive here while we are writing the particular small program? Tell me, guys. Hello. Ramesh, tell me what is the output will arrive while we are writing the particular.
Sir, username is empty, na, sir. Let username.
Yes, yes. First is the
Undefined, sir.
empty. Yes, username is empty. And default name is
Okay.
also undefined. So this empty means undefined.
Undefined,
Username
sir.
is also undefined and default name is also undefined. Okay.
Undefined and undefined, sir.
Hmm. Output. What is
Undefined.
the output?
First one is sorry, sorry.
Tell me. What is the output will arrive? So let me run this program. Just run
Stranger,
this program.
sir.
Stranger. The output is stranger. Why? How we get the stranger? So why? Because so this is the
Here,
their logic. The logic is there. Let variables, two variables are there. Let though. So we have assigning the two let variables. Those are the username and default name. Both are undefined. So the first condition is if username equals to true. That means if username equals to true, that means the only username while we are inserting the username. So then default name equals to username. So again both are okay undefined. Else if username is not equals to true, that means the false, username equals to false, then else condition. So that means username is already undefined here. So that is the when we are taking the else condition, then default name is already assigned, that is the stranger. So console.log will arrive here, that is the stranger. Why? Because so when they are mentioned is the username, if username. Okay, so username, so only they are putting as a only username here, so that is undefined here. So this is the undefined. So that's why undefined, that's why they should take the else condition. So else condition, why? Because this is the false. Why? Because if the value is there, then it's fine, only running the if condition, but they are not mentioned their value, so that's why this is being as a false. So that false means else condition. So that else condition is the default name equals to stranger. So that is the assigning is there, reassigning of the default name here. So that reassigning will value is the appeared here. So that will arrive, reassigning value is arrived here. Okay, is there any doubts? సరే ఏంటి ఇక్కడ స్ట్రక్ అయ్యారా? Now the meeting is going to be end. So again you should also join the same link. Okay guys, కట్ అయిపోతే మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ అవ్వండి సార్ దీంట్లో.
సార్ ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేయండి సార్ మరి కొంచెం.
ఓకే just okay, just leave this meeting and again okay join this meeting link. So just have a look here guys. So that is there are two let variables are defining here, okay, mentioned. So those are the username and default name. Both the variables are there, but both variables are not assigning any value. So that's why while they are taking as the if condition, so that if condition is username only, username is not there actually. When the value is there, and okay, if that value is true, that means the username equals to, for example, something value is there, and if it is being as a particular value, so then that should run the only this one if condition after the while putting that loop in our if condition. Okay, if condition loop. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద దీంట్లో ఏదైతే ఉందో మనకి అది మాత్రమే రన్ అయ్యేది, కానీ ఇక్కడ అసలు వాల్యూ లేదు కదా. లేనప్పుడు ఏమవ్వాలండి, ఎల్స్కి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. సో ఎల్స్కి వెళ్ళిపోయింది, అది ఎల్స్కి వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత మనకి డిఫాల్ట్ నేమ్కి వచ్చింది. డిఫాల్ట్ ఎల్స్లో ఏం డిఫైన్ చేసాం, డిక్లేర్ చేసాం, డిఫాల్ట్ నేమ్ని రీఅసైన్ చేసాం. సో దట్ ఈస్ దేర్. సో కాబట్టి డిఫాల్ట్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ ద స్ట్రేంజర్. సో నౌ కన్సోల్ డాట్ లాగ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు డిఫాల్ట్ నేమ్ అని పెడితే మనకు ఆటోమేటిక్గా రీఅసైనింగ్ అయి ఉంది కదా, అంటే వాల్యూ ఉంది కదా దానికి డిఫాల్ట్ నేమ్కి. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ విల్ అరైవ్ హియర్. ఓకే, ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా?
Sir, let's check one. Sir, if we are using username something.
Okay, so for example something na, so username is for example Ravi, and okay, username equals to Ravi, and if username equals to, then let me check, username equals to, ఇక్కడ యూజర్ నేమ్ పెట్టి వదిలేస్తే ఇదేం రన్ అవుతుంది చూడండి ఒకసారి అలా. ఓకేనా, యూజర్ నేమ్ అనేది ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది మనకి ఇక్కడ. యూజర్ నేమ్ ఏమన్నాం ఇక్కడ, రవి కదా, రవి మెన్షన్ చేసాం చూడండి ఇక్కడ. సో యూజర్ నేమ్ అని పెట్టగానే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమొచ్చిందంటే అవుట్పుట్ ఇక్కడ, అంటే రీఅసైనింగ్ జరిగింది డిఫాల్ట్ నేమ్. అర్థమైందా, ఇక్కడ రవి అని మనం ఇక్కడ రీప్లేస్ చేసాం. యూజర్ నేమ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు రవి, ఐఎమ్ అసైనింగ్ ద వాల్యూ. సో మై యూజర్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ ద రవి, అండ్ నౌ సో ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాం, డిఫాల్ట్ నేమ్ ఏం పెట్టాం, యూజర్ నేమ్ పెట్టుకున్నాం. యూజర్ నేమ్ ఏంటి ఆల్రెడీ, సో రవి. సో ఇఫ్ యూజర్ నేమ్ కనుక అయితే, సో ఆ వాల్యూ ఏమవ్వాలంట, డిఫాల్ట్ నేమ్ వచ్చేసరికి రవి అవ్వాలి. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ విల్ అరైవ్ హియర్. ఓకేనా, ఓకేనా మౌనిక?
Okay, sir.
ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ దాంట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. అక్కడ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఉంది కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ చెక్ చేసుకుంది. దాంట్లో ఇఫ్ కండిషన్లో వాల్యూ ఆల్రెడీ దేర్. సో కాబట్టి ఆల్రెడీ అవుట్పుట్ ఏదైతుందో ఆ అవుట్పుట్ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ యాజ్ ఎ నల్, సో దట్ మీన్స్ అన్డిఫైన్డ్. సో అన్డిఫైన్డ్, దెన్ వెన్ వీఆర్ రన్నింగ్ దాట్, సో దెన్ అది ఎల్స్ కండిషన్ చెక్ చేసుకుని ఎల్స్ కండిషన్ ద్వారా మనకి అవుట్పుట్ ఇచ్చింది. ఓకేనా, ఓకే రమేష్?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now going to the another example is there. So that is the,
Sir, when we will use this scripting, sir, in real time scenario?
సో రియల్ టైమ్ సినారియోస్లో ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఇవి వాడమండి. మనకి అక్కడ ఆ కండిషన్ బేస్ చేసుకుని, అంటే ఈ కండిషన్స్ని వాడటానికి ఈ కండిషన్ ఏమైనా హెల్ప్ అవుతుందా అంటే, సో ఆల్వేస్ ద స్క్రిప్టింగ్ ఈజ్ టు, దాన్ని ఏమంటారు, కంప్రెస్ ద ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ సైజ్ అనమాట. సో ఎలా కంప్రెస్ చేస్తాం? బై యూసేజ్ ఆఫ్ ది పర్టిక్యులర్ లాజిక్స్. సో ఏదన్నా లాజిక్ పెడితే ఆటోమేటిక్గా దాని సైజ్ రెడ్యూస్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాం అనమాట, అక్కడ వాడతాం. అంతేగాని ఇది స్పెసిఫిక్గా దీనికోసమే అనేది పెట్టాం. ఒకవేళ స్పెసిఫిక్గా అడిగాడు అంటే రియల్ కేసులో మీరు ఇవే చెప్పండి ఎగ్జాంపుల్. అంటే ఏంటిది? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ద యూజ్ కేస్ ఈజ్, లెట్ వి టేక్ ద అవర్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇందాక మనం తీసుకున్నాం అంటే ఏంటిది, ట్రాఫిక్ సిగ్నల్స్. So traffic signal point of view is there. So traffic signal point of view, while we are taking the traffic signals point of view, so that is the if and else condition. So if and else condition దగ్గర మనకి ఆటోమేటిక్గా స్టాప్ ఎప్పుడు అవ్వాలి అండ్ లేకపోతే స్టార్ట్ ఎప్పుడు అవ్వాలి. సో ఆ కండిషన్స్ని మనకి ఇక్కడ వాడతారని చెప్పి చూపించవచ్చు అంతే. రియల్ టైం పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ కంప్రెస్ చేయడానికి హెల్ప్ అవుతాయి ఈ లాజికల్ ఆపరేటర్స్ అన్నీ కూడా, అంటే కండిషన్స్ మెయిన్గా. Program is
just
there.
separate conditions based. I'm not asking about condition based, sir.
మీరు అంటుంది ఏంటి, అసలు యూజ్ కేస్ ఏంటి అంటున్నారు అంతే కదా?
నో సార్, జస్ట్ స్క్రిప్టింగ్ ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేస్తాం, ఏ టైంలో? ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్గా ఇన్సిడెంట్ ఏదైనా టికెట్ రేస్ చేసినప్పుడు మనం ఇన్సిడెంట్ అవి ఇవి యూజ్ చేసి వాళ్ళు సాల్వ్ చేసి ఇస్తాం కదా సార్. మనం స్క్రిప్టింగ్ ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేస్తాం?
మీరు డెవలపర్ అంటే మీరు డెవలప్మెంట్ సైడ్ కనుక వస్తే స్క్రిప్టింగ్ వాడతారండి.
ఓకే సార్.
మనకి 2 ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, ఒకటి సపోర్ట్ బేస్డ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్, ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ బేస్డ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. సెకండ్ వన్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ బేస్డ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్లో అయితే డెఫినెట్గా స్క్రిప్టింగ్ వాడతారు. ఓకేనా? స్క్రిప్టింగ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో యూజ్డ్. సో ఆ స్క్రిప్టింగ్ వాడతాం కాబట్టి మనకి ఆ పర్టికులర్ ప్లేస్లో ఆ స్క్రిప్టింగ్లో ఈ కండిషన్ రాస్తే ఇంకొంచెం సింప్లిఫై చేయొచ్చా, ఓకే, సో దానికి హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. సో నెక్స్ట్ కూడా ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇదిగో యూజర్ నేమ్ ప్లేస్లో ఆర్ అనే సింబల్ కూడా ఉంది. సో యూజర్ నేమ్ ఇక్కడ లెట్ డిఫాల్ట్ నేమ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు యూజర్ నేమ్ ఆర్ స్ట్రేంజర్ అంటున్నాడు. సో ఆర్ అంటే మనకి అండ్ కండిషన్ ఆల్రెడీ నో దట్, అండ్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో దేర్. ఆర్కి ఇదిగో ఈ సింబల్ వాడతాం. ఆర్ అంటే అది ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది అంటే మనకి ఫార్వర్డ్ స్లాష్ ఉంది కదా, ఆ ఫార్వర్డ్ స్లాష్ని మనం షిఫ్ట్ పట్టుకొని ఫార్వర్డ్ స్లాష్ కొడితే ఆర్ అనే సింబల్ని మనం అచీవ్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. సో ఆర్ అంటే మీనింగ్ తెలుసు కదా మీకు, ఎయిదర్ ఇది కానీ లేకపోతే ఇది కానీ, ఎయిదర్. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఒక్కటే కావాలని కాదు, సో ఇదైనా అవ్వచ్చు ఇదైనా అవ్వచ్చు. సండే. సో నౌ గో టు ద అనదర్ వన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద టెర్నరీ ఆపరేటర్స్. Ternary operators. So how we are using the ternary operators? Just have a look here. In the spirit of using shorthand syntax, we can use the ternary operator to simplify an if-else statements. So when we are generally use the ternary operators, so let they say that simply, so to simplify the if-else statements simplify, okay. So that is the, so let they give the some example. So that is the, what is the example is there, just have a look here. Let is locked equals to false, here, and is locked console.log equals to, you will need a key to open the door, and compare that. So that is the colon console.log equals to, you will not need a key to open the door. Let is correct equals to true, is correct console.log correct, okay, not correct, and console.log is the incorrect. Correct and incorrect. Let favorite phrase is the love that, and favorite phrase is the, okay, equals to love that, and triple equals to love that. So there is the, so what is the output will arrive here. So just have a look here. So when we are observing the particular programming, so there is a variable that is the is locked. So that condition is locked value is the first one false, okay. So if it is being as a locked, is true. So what is the output will arrive here? If your house, okay, your house being as a locked, okay, so that is the true. So then what is the output will arrive? You will need a key to open the door, but is locked equals to false. That place is being as a false, so that means you will not need a key to open the door. Okay, that is enough. That is okay, done already. So that is the output is the you will not need a key to open the door. Why? Because so this variable is already being there, that is a false. Okay, that is a false. And the next one, let e is correct equals to true. Let e is correct variable is there, so that equals to true. And e is correct question tag console.log equals to correct, and console.log equals to incorrect. So what is the output is there by the help by the usage of this one? So that is the already said that is the true. So true means correct. What is the correct output will appear here, will arrive here. And next one, third. So there are multiple, okay, uh, okay, multiple operators let they use here in this. So that is there. Just let we do that one time practice. Let is locked is locked is locked equals to false. Next, is locked question tag compare the statements, compare the outputs. That is the console.log. So that is the you will need a key to open the door. Control C. You will need a key to open the door. Just colon, just colon, console.log you will not need a key. You will not need a key to open the door. So just have a look here. So just run it here. What is the output will appear? Already said that let is locked equals to false. So is locked. So just question mark. Okay. So the house is not locked. So then key is required or not? Key is not needed. Okay, key is not needed. Why? Because already said that. So that is the is locked equals to false. That's why it is not needed. Okay, and another one is also there. Okay, so that is the another one is also there. Similarly to write that, that is the is correct. Let is correct equals to true. Is correct question tag console.log is the correct colon console.log is the incorrect. In which one will appear here? So that is the already said that is the true. So true means correct. Correct output will appear here. Okay. Okay, did you understand that? So ternary operators, let they do that. That is the to simplify the if else statements. To simplify the if else statements. So no need to write that if else. So just simply to get their output, required output. Okay. So by the help of ternary operators. Amesh, is it fine for you?
Sir, fine, sir.
Okay, and now there is a small program. So that is the write a program to convert the Fahrenheit to Celsius degrees. Okay, Fahrenheit temperature to Celsius degrees, degree centigrades. So that is the formula is there. So that formula is the degree centigrade. Okay, degree centigrades equals to Fahrenheit temperature minus 32 into 5 by 9. So that is the formula is there. So how we write the particular output, how we get the particular output? Okay, so that means Fahrenheit temperature, while you are giving the Fahrenheit degrees temperature, then it will show the degree centigrades. Okay, so how you write that? Just simply to write that is the where. So just write that where where Fahrenheit, okay, where Fahrenheit equals to how much? For example, 78, where centigrades, centigrade, degree centigrades, where centigrade Celsius, centigrade Celsius equals to, the formula is Fahrenheit minus Fahrenheit minus 32 star 5 by 9. So that is there, where centigrade equals to. Now output, what is the output is there? Console.log temperature in Celsius. Console.log temperature in Celsius, CS plus centigrade. So that is there. So now just run that. So when the Fahrenheit, okay, when the Fahrenheit degrees are the 78, then centigrades, just convert it into the that Fahrenheit degrees in centigrades. So how much? 25 degrees centigrades. Okay, 25 degree centigrades. Now it's being as a 98. Then how much? 36 centigrades. Okay, 36 degree Celsius, 36 degree Celsius temperature. So that is the, okay, simple programs are also doing in our JavaScripting. Okay, so that is the program is there. Now another one is there, switch statement. So come to the switch statement, it provides an alternative syntax that is easier to read and write, sir. So that is easier to read and write, and that is the how we are using the switch statement. Just have a look here. So small program is there. Let athlete final positions, that is the first place, when being as a first place of the particular rider. Then athlete final position is the case first place, when they are being as a first place, then that is the he will get the gold medal. Okay, and sometime second place he will get the silver medal, and third place he will get the bronze medal, and fourth place no need to, okay, no medals are awarded. So those are the that type of statements are available. Okay, that type of things are um, achieved by the help of switch statements. Okay, just have a look here. So how we do that? Is it understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
And Monica, sometimes let they ask you the simple type of programs also. You should also write this one. So that is the conversion of Fahrenheit degrees into the in our Celsius. So then simply to make the this type of okay, small programs. Our input and output is the formula. So that is the formula is there, and console.log simply to write the that output value. Okay, and now so switch statements. So that is the let final, sorry, final position equals to first place, first place, first place. Then first place switch final position, so first place switch fi final position position. Let final position, curly braces, case, in our case first place, case is the first place, sorry, first place. So that first place, case is the first place. Console.log, log, he will get gold medal, gold medal, he will get gold medal. Next, break, break, sorry, break, break is there. Okay, so now copy this one, case, so that is the second place, and third place, control C, second place, second place, silver, he will get silver medal. Third place, third place, bronze, BRONZE, bronze medal. Next, fourth, 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 no medals awarded, awarded, no medals awarded. Okay, so just have a look here. So that is the program is there. So switch statement, by the help of the switch statement, that is the case. So let final position first place, so already we should mention as a first place. So when we are putting as a first place, so then the console.log will be, he will get the gold medal, he will get gold medal. So that okay, so just run this program. So that is the first place is there, unexpected token. So why? So first place is there, FIRST first place, PLACE, okay, case, and final position, switch final position, okay, switch final position, case is the first place, console.log, he will get gold medal. Okay, break it here. So just have a look here, switch, okay, okay, there is no this one, so that is there. Okay, first position, there is no curly braces are required, case, after the case. Okay, so now run this one, switch final position first place. So first place he will get a gold medal and break it here, and second place he will get silver medal. Okay, first place not semicolon, this is a colon only. Okay, first place is colon and second place is colon. So just you will see that what type of errors will occur. Okay, so that is also important. So this is the debugging skills. So just have a look here. So that is the first place is not defined. Why? So the first place is case first place. Okay, console.log, he will get gold medal. Yes, let final position. So first place, case, semicolon is missing, first place. So at the place, so that is there. So that is the case. Sorry, quotes are missing here. So that is the in our first case, that is there. And our case point of view, that is the colon, and that is there. And you should also write the program as, okay, so exactly, else it doesn't appear, that it doesn't get the our required output. So now you will see that. So now we have to avoid the our syntax errors. Okay, so that is the let final position first place is there, and switch condition, so that switch is the final position is there, and case. Okay, so the case one is first place. If they are getting first place, then the output is he will get gold medal. And this is replacing with second or third, so then second or third, so that means the THIRD, third place, for example, third place. So then what is the output will occur here? He will get bronze medal. So sometimes here, for example, fifth place. Then okay, fifth is not there. Okay, so the fifth is not there. So then fourth place. So run it here, no medals awarded, fourth place. Okay, so that is the switch statement. Okay, switch statement will give you that if else if. Okay, so if number of conditions are there in our particular program, so then those are simplifying by the help of switch statements. Okay, switch condition, through the switch condition, let they avoid those things. Okay, that is the benefit of switch. Okay,
Final position is empty.
if it is being as an empty, just have a look here, what will happen. Didn't get the output.
Okay,
Okay,
fine, sir.
you cannot say that. If you shouldn't assign the any value in this place, then you cannot say that. While you should also again give that. So case, another case, you should also mention that is the fifth place or sixth place, whatever it may be. That means anything else, no medals are awarded. Okay, so that is also will appear. Our final position is okay. When you are inserted the final position value, then only able to see the their output. So that is the first place or second place or third place. Okay, so that is there. So this is the way to creating of the switch statement. Switch statement is if number of, okay, similar type of conditions are there, so then let we take the, okay, switch statements, then simply to avoid the, okay, that most of the things, that means for example, number of conditions are there, so those all are avoided by the usage of the switch. Okay, switch statements, so switch conditions. So this is the benefit of switch. Is there anything else here, guys? థర్డ్ ప్లేస్, సారీ, ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్లో డిఫాల్ట్ అని పెడితే ఆటోమేటిక్గా వస్తుంది చూడండి. ఇక్కడ డిఫాల్ట్ పెట్టలేదు మనం, అక్కడ కేస్ ఫోర్త్ అని పెట్టాం కదా, ఇక్కడ కేస్ తీసేసేసి డిఫాల్ట్ పెడితే, సో వైల్ వీఆర్ రీప్లేసింగ్ విత్ ద డిఫాల్ట్, FAULT, default only, default. Yes, when we are being as a default, then what will happen, just have a look here. So that is the default means here, if you have to write the fifth place, for example, so then what will happen, just have a look here, no medals awarded. whatever you have inserted in this place, so there is a default state is there. Okay, default condition is there. So if that position is being as a first, second or third, and if the position is a 10th, for example, if that position is ninth, for example, ninth, so then run that condition, then no medals awarded, default is there. So while we are mentioned as the default, then this output will appear. Okay, so that is there. Okay guys, ఇంకేమన్నా ఉన్నాయా ఇక్కడ? Okay, thank you guys.